Oscar, and this is my kitchen. Today we are going to be making lamb and drizzle cake, lamb and drizzle cake. So nice to eat and so fun to bake. This is one of my favourite things to make and one of my favourite things to eat as well. You're going to want to take your batter. It needs to be really, really soft because you'll need to be able to cream it with the sugar. 1 egg at a time. And now I'm going to want to add in my flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 4 tablespoons of milk. Now I'm happy with that. You want to take all of this and pop it in here and get it into all the corners. Okay, so now we're going to make the drizzle. Got a little pan here and I'm going to put in my sugar. And now we'll get the juice out of these lemons. Let's take a peek. It's looking great. Okay, time to pour on the drizzle. Okay, let's give it a try. It's really light and airy, and you can see where the little grains of zest are appearing. It's really, really lovely. So go ahead and give that a try.